Hey everyone, Ivan here. Today we're diving into the world of FinTech, a transformative technology that's reshaping how we handle financial services in 2025. The technology continues to revolutionize traditional industries and finance. It's experiencing one of the most dramatic transformations. FinTech, or financial technology, refers to the innovative technologies being used to enhance and automate financial services for both businesses and consumers. According to IBM, FinTech is fundamentally changing how money changes hands by using software, algorithms, and applications to improve and automate financial transactions. This isn't just for big banks anymore. It's for democratizing financial services for everyone. Let's explore what FinTech really means in 2025. Its core benefits, and the key tools driving this revolution, all with a focus on what actually delivers value rather than just marketing hype. Based on IBM.com, so we see that what is FinTech? FinTech is our financial technology. It's a term that describes the mobile applications, software, and other technology that enable users and enterprises to access and manage their finances digitally. It is also used interchangeably with the term FinTech startup, which refers to a company whose core capability is in the development and delivery of FinTech products and services. We can see many kind of software startups that uses this kind of, like it's a kind of join with two things at the same time. So as smartphones and other digital devices have gained popularity, FinTech use cases have increased steadily. Today, popular mobile apps help people set financial goals and apply for mortgages, file taxes, and much more. At an enterprise level, businesses across the financial industry are constantly on the lookout for ways to deploy FinTech to increase their capabilities and offer more products and services to their customers. There is an evolution of the term. This is well managed. This is kind of like 10 years ago. That's why I remind. The term FinTech is a combination of words. Finance technology was initially used by banks. Well, I already said that. However, in the last 5 years, the term has shifted to include more customer-related services, such as apps and software that are used to create budgets, track spending, to buy and sell stocks. Today, the term FinTech can be used to describe technologies, services, and companies in the financial sector that focuses on a variety of capabilities, including retail banking, financial education, fundraising, cryptocurrencies, investment and management, and more. So, why isn't FinTech important? As smartphones have crept into more and more areas of our lives, many industries have felt pressure to digitize more of their capabilities and services, from ride-hailing apps and refrigerators that know when you're out of milk, to virtual classrooms and chatbots. Digitization is everywhere you look. FinTech is just another example of industry, the financial industry, moving steadily into the digital age. When it comes to digitations, banks and financial institutions started slowly automating and digitizing processes that had been done manually for years. The ability to open a new account, conduct money transfer, and pay for goods and services online were some of the first breakthroughs. Today, the pace of the innovation has increased to the point where some banks don't have physical infrastructure at all. Digital banks, or neobanks as they commonly refer to, offer fee-less, digital-only banking solutions for customers that don't require a physical location. FinTech is also helped expand banking into traditionally underserved communities. For example, according to a report by the Brookings Institution, over 90% of Hispanic consumers use FinTech, along with 88% of African Americans and 79% of Asian consumers. So it has a big role in all of our communities. So what is the benefits of FinTech? Fintech products and services provide many tangible benefits for both consumers and businesses. We got the top three fintech benefits for consumers. First one will be seamless access to finances. One of the biggest benefits of fintech products for consumers is round-the-clock access to their finances, whether trading stocks, transferring money, or making a last-minute purchase. FinTech lets users conduct financial transactions when and how they need to. The second one is the highly secure transactions. As the laws and regulations around FinTech increase, so do the security requirements for FinTech applications must follow to be allowed to enter the market. In addition to minimizing the physical theft or loss of a credit card or cash, FinTech offers customers robust cybersecurity solutions that protect them from hackers. This is actually most well known in the blockchain technology, for example, and it's a relatively new FinTech innovation that uses a distributed ledger to ensure the validity of complex multi-party online transactions. We also talk about this in another video that I used to have. I did it before. So the third one was increased access to credit. Digital lending, the process of applying for and receiving funds through a digital process, is growing quickly, with a compound annual growth rate of much of 16.7% according to the Allied Market Research. FinTech solutions make it possible for more borrowers to access a wider pool of lenders digitally than they could through traditional financial services channels. Some FinTech startups even offer credit to individuals with poor or non-existent credit ratings. This is true. It's really improving every time and every week, every month, and every year. There are many new banks that are accepting many people with bad or poor, credit score. So the first one, there are top three FinTech benefits for enterprises is improved business processes. FinTech capabilities have helped streamline business processes by enabling the automation of mundane tasks associated with banking services. Additionally, businesses who operate FinTech applications have been seeing their transaction and investment processes significantly speed up, with their customers have 24/7 access to their accounts via mobile apps. And the second one is the reduced time to market for new products. Launching new services and capabilities in response to customer demand is much easier from financial institutions who have made investments in FinTech. Given the 10,000s of FinTech startups innovation in this space, there are often already off-the-shelf products available with no additional infrastructure required when a new customer need arises. So the third one, a better customer retention. Business that utilize FinTech intelligently can give their customers a delightful and highly personalized digital experience that mirrors popular apps from other sectors like Netflix and Amazon, increasing the likelihood they will remain loyal and continue to use their products and services. There are technology and financial services that are most 10 key tools. First one is the AI, so artificial intelligence that is transforming various aspects of financial services, from customer service, chatbots to advanced fraud detection systems. Machine learning algorithms analyze big data to identify patterns, make predictions, and automate decision-making processes. This is due because it's a training process all the time. We're likely to see an increase of use of AI in routine financial activities such as loan approvals or insurance claims, which will minimize the need for human interactions. Though this technology still requires extensive testing, nevertheless, AI is here to stay. Those who embrace it will equip themselves with powerful tools that have potential to enhance the customer experience. Cloud computing, as we know, have evolved from many FinTech companies. Cloud-based solutions provide financial institutions with scalable and cost-effective infrastructure to build and deploy new services. Cloud computing enables improved data storage, processing capabilities, and collaboration. This has a lot of, this was around when I started with AWS, is Amazon Web Services. It's one of the first one offering those kind of, multi-channels for financial services. However, increased demand for cloud technology may drive services costs, posing challenges, especially to small businesses with limited budgets, or hiring external experts specializing in implementing or optimizing cloud solutions may be the answer to overcome these obstacles. I'm just gonna read just the subtitles and just tell just the most important things about this. The third one is the blockchain in banking. So as we described in another video that I did it before, the blockchain in banking is really used for like peer-to-peer transactions, because it works like a layered transaction. So it's really secure because it has a lot of blocks that have a digital, fingerprint. So it's not really easy to a hacker to hack that kind of system, because it has to hack at least millions and millions of transactions in order to get through to the information on a specific block. And block can be your transaction. So, well, this is really important one. The banking of things, the Internet of Things is evolving, extending to financial services in the front of banking of things, which is when wireless techs like Bluetooth and radio frequencies are integrated in credit and debit cards to enable contactless transaction. This is a really must for people specializing in this kind of things. It's really advanced. Well, just for software engineers to work in the banking system. I don't work in the banking system. I never did, and it's not for me. I'm backend developer, and I'm just doing websites and web platforms, and also working with paying systems and all the stuff, and software in general. And the fifth one, we got InsurTech. InsurTech applies to the tech insurance industry, as you know, streamlining processes such as underwriting, claims processing, and risk assessment. AI-powered algorithms and IoT devices enable more personalized and dynamic insurance products, making it easier to tailor policies based on individual behaviors or needs. Robotics, this is one, robotic process automation, RPA, uses software robots to automate repetitive tasks in financial processes such as data entry, reconciliation, and compliance reporting. This technology improves accuracy and efficiency while reducing operational costs. This is as I told before in other videos, this is like helpers that you can use. I tell people, try to learn as much as possible this kind of automation, because you will need it. And if you learn all of these things, you have something under your belt. You will have more opportunities in the sector. So once you learn anything in this kind of FinTech space, it's a really good skill that can that you can offer for big money actually. So the another one is expenses management tool, the digital platform for tracking and managing expenses to help businesses streamline their operation by automating expense reporting processes. These tools also integrate with the accounting system, ensuring greater oversight and control over the company spending. This is a well-known software. Digital identity verification. For a long time it's been used too for identification verification technology, including biometrics and document recognition, enhance security and simplify customer onboarding processes for financial institutions. The payment processing solutions, innovative payment processing technology enable faster transactions, whether in person or online. So this is mostly used. We as a developer, we use many of these kind of tools, which is implemented with using their the API, the so-called API, that is a protocols, application that we interconnect with our software. But we try to do software to connect to other software. That is an API. So we use if we want to implement something, a payment system, which is called like this one, a payments processing solution. So it's a third party. So, and then the 10th one will be invoicing solutions. Automating invoicing tools help business manage their billing processes efficiently by generating invoices quickly based on predefined templates or recurring billing schedules. Many of us use that. Well, actually, we can do our own billing system even with a pencil. But you can able to automate everything. It's easier for companies, big companies, as many employees and customers. It's the best easy solution to apply for this kind of companies. This tool also allows for easy tracking of payment received and outstanding invoices. So, well, there you have it. There's a lot of information here too in this website. I'm gonna leave you the link so you can read it, as well as the IBM too. So, okay. To wrap up, FinTech is more it's been evolving from time to time, and it will be more. And it is transforming how businesses and consumers interact with financial services through enhanced efficiency, accessibility, and security. As we've seen from Ripple's research, the webpage that we see before, the benefits of FinTech automation include streamlined operations, reduced costs, improved compliance, enhanced customer experiences, better fraud detection, and valuable data-driven insights that can inform business decisions. The most successful companies aren't just adopting individual FinTech tools. They're creating integrated ecosystems where these technologies work together to create seamless financial experiences. Whether you're running a small business or working for a large enterprise, understanding and leveraging these FinTech innovations will be essential for staying competitive and rapidly evolving in the financial landscape of 2025. If you found this overview valuable, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more honest tech content. And if you liked, just drop me a comment and let me know which is best for financial tech, and if you'd like to explore more in depth in future videos. This is Ivan helping you navigate in the intersection of technology and finance. See you in the next one.